Good morning, teacher. Below I will present my family in Junior Cal 3. She is Carmen Melendez, is grandmother. She have a 5 years old, commission office born in Bucaramanga, Army National of Colombia. She is Livia Guillén, my mother, 62 years old, born in Colombia, in Bogota, housewife. She is learning how country to see a home, buys a business next week. He is my father, Juan Quintero, 65 years old, born in Boyacá, is Condibor Independence. Wants to start his own transport company in a month. He is Leonardo Mayorga Guillén. He is my brother. He have 36 years old, born in Bogota. He is chef, independent. He will travel to Italy next year for a special course de cooking. Francisco Quintero Guillén, a student born in Bogota, died on December 2003. He was 14 years old. He did drown in sewer. He was buried on December 6, 2003 in the Gardens of Peace. His dreams was to be a politician in Colombia. I am Janet Quintero, 30 years old, tuition against an university student born in Bogota, working proyectos easy. My objective is I will finish my professional course next year and county in the University Compensar and Sena. I live with my mother, my sister, and my pets. In the municipality is Mosquera. Carolina Quintero, my younger sister, is 25 years old, born in Bogota. She is a data analyst in Blue Logistics in Bogota. Next year she will start studying criminalists to work for police in Bucaramanga. Gabriel Osorio is my current parent. He is 35 years old, born in Philadelphia, Caldas. For 5 years, he is a mining engineer and working in Minas, Colombia. He will be the specialization in students in Ecuador next month. He is my boyfriend. And finish Juan David, nephew, his nephew, the son of my older brother, Leonardo. He is years old, born in Mosquera, Cundinamarca. He is an elementary school student. He wants to follow in my grandmother's footsteps and join in Air Force to become a pilot in Madrid. Then teacher, good morning.